Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to duplicate the t-shirt easily in Photoshop. Okay, so I click Ctrl C and I expand a little bit. Okay, click Enter and I go to Window. I click Layer and then I duplicate this layer of the t-shirt and I go to Edit. I choose Free Transform. Okay, and then I decrease the size of the t-shirt a little bit and then I drag to another place. Yes, and enter. After that we click Control Alt Shift letter T one time, two time, three time. Okay, so now we've got 5 t-shirts and now I change the t-shirt color. Okay, so I click on this t-shirt and layer copy one and then I go to image. I click adjust and hue saturation. So in order to change the t-shirt color, so we have to select this and drag to another side to change the color. Okay, and then click OK, and we do this the same way to the other t-shirt, right? Okay, so I click right and select, and then I go to image, adjust over saturation, and I drag to another side to change the color. Okay, so so I click this one again, another t-shirt, image, adjust, okay, hue saturation, and then change the color. Yes, so I click OK and do the last t-shirt the same way. Okay, image, adjust, hue saturation, and then I drag to change the color. Okay, okay, so that's all. Now we got 5 t-shirt and 5 color also, right? Okay, thanks for watching to our video. If you think that it's important for you or necessary for you and you want to see more video, please subscribe, share and like my channel also, right? Okay, goodbye and thank you.